Alright, well, as you see, it's about that time to start replacing boards on the deck. So first one's going to go are the worst ones. If you're a person that's a first-time homeowner, or you're a renter that has a lazy landlord, just take the initiative and doing it yourself will save you a heck of a amount of time versus waiting around for someone else. So what to look for? It's all bad. All of it. So this is the board that we're replacing. Now, need a crowbar. If you do not have a crowbar, ask a neighbor, or go rent one, go buy one, or look in your vehicle. Maybe you have an older vehicle, not the modern vehicles because they don't carry spare tires anymore, but maybe you have an older vehicle that has a tire iron. You can use that. So just lift her up and it'll come right up just like that. Now, if you're like this and they're tucked under your vinyl siding, don't panic about it. Just wiggle out the board as much as you can. And remember, do not grab it and pull upright because you will rip the vinyl siding out. Now you can put this back, so don't be alarmed by it. However, you might crack this ledge and then you'll be into a more of a bigger project because you'll be looking for colors and matching up and all that stuff, and that might get expensive. So don't do that. Huh, look at that. Someone's been doing a bit of drinking here, I see. Wonder who that was. Ain't my brand. So, after you're done with this, you want to take... Oop. So after you're done, you want to take the claw end and you want to pull out all the nails. Now, yours might be screwed on, so if they are screwed on, just take a pair of pliers, give them a good yank, and if you can't get them in place, well, take a claw end like this, bust them off, and remember where that hole is. That way you don't hit that hole again. Alright, let's put the airboard on. Now what I'm going to use are 1 5/8 screws. The drill bit, like I did on the last project, same routine. I'm going to drill these out first and then screw them in place. Check that out. It's bad. That thing's done. It's gone. We got rot forming there too. That's not good. Glad I got that before someone fell through it. Okay, to use the same area, you just follow your runners here. Okay? And try to space them out the same way as the airboards. That way you don't look ridiculous when people come over and see it. It also helps you out. Take your foot and put all your weight on it. That way it evens out the board from the rest of them, because it might bow out a little bit from the runners over time, or the board you bought might be a little warped. So your body weight helps it out, straighten out the board. And there we go. Alright, that's it. That's how you replace your deck board. And if I can do it, you can do it. Later.